Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. In this pro tip today, I want to take and talk a little bit about getting your vise set up for doing a twist. This is something that I see a lot of beginners struggling with. I see it all the time and all across YouTube and even in person wherever I'm at demonstrations or if I teach or something like that. I see people struggling to get the twist down pat. And a lot of your twisting or unevenness and things like that that happen with twists is all coming down to one simple fact. Obviously this is not the only factor in place here, but it is a big one where a lot of people struggle with, is that you don't pre-set up the jaws of your vise to be able to accept the material in a quick, efficient manner. Also, you don't set up your twisting wrench for the correct stock size that you're going to be twisting. So you always need to set this gap up, set this on the bar, even if it's over in the fire. You can get your gap set there, and then you want to take and adjust your vise jaws to meet that gap as well. So this way, when you bring your material out and it's hot, you're not wasting any time locking it into the vise and go ahead and going for your twist. So I'm going to get this set up now, and I'll show you what I mean, how quick and easy this is. So we've got some 5/8 inch square material, which I believe is 16 mil, somewhere around there. So I'm going to get my jaws set up to where they're just a little bit proud of that. So this way to take into consideration for the expansion of the steel. So we'll get this hot. This is good and hot. Now I'm going to come out and give this a twist. So I'm not wasting any time. I can plant this material very quickly. And now I can put my twist wrench on there very quickly and go right into the twist. A lot of blacksmithing comes down to the orchestration of the process long before you ever come out of the fire. So there you go, and there's a twist. Now obviously I make that look fairly easy. I've been at this a while, so you can say, well, yeah, that's nice for you to say, Roy, you've been doing it professionally for a few years. That makes everything look easier. But it is the understanding of what the next steps in the process are and how to go about doing them is what makes the process look easy when you actually undertake a particular portion of the process. Now if you see this material here, it looks pretty symmetrical, a really nice straightforward twist. Everything's in the correct orientation. It's not too tight, not too loose. It's a little tight up in here, a little looser down here. But again, I didn't go for that extra go around with it, as this end was just a slight bit hotter. But I hope this will help some of you out there getting those twists in and being able to do twists. Don't have a vise that's all set open like this, and now you're busy trying to come in here. You're wasting heat and valuable seconds. And you've got your twisting wrench that hasn't even been opened up yet, and now you're trying to get this on here in a scramble, and you're rushing and you're getting it on there, and the material's cooling down, and finally when you get to going to twisting, it is already too late. The material's too cold. It starts buckling in certain areas and not so much in others, and you have a terrible time twisting and you can't get an even and accurate twist. So again, hope that pro tip helps some of you out there. Leave a comment down in the comment section down below what you thought of the video, if this has helped you. And if you haven't been over to our website lately, I highly encourage you to do that. If you like to support these videos and what Jessica and I do with educating the blacksmithing community, the great way of doing that is consider purchasing a set of power hammer plans off of our website, blacksmithpdfs.com. Or if you're getting into the business of blacksmithing, we've got loads of resources over there for you as well. Without further ado, I'm going to get back to smithing. Again, thank you so much for stopping in and watching this video. God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one.